To perform the dumbbell bench press, start with your dumbbells on your legs, and then with control, lay back and enter the starting position. Push the dumbbells over the chest, prepare your lats, and then lower your dumbbells down to your sides, bending your elbows and stretching your chest. As you come up, exhale, and as you come down, inhale. Keep those dumbbells over the sternum and don't let them come over your face. Maintain good form through all program repetitions. The dumbbell bench press is an amazing exercise that teaches our body how to integrate our lat, our pectoral muscles, and our triceps. I've got my dumbbells and a bench. Let's get into it. The dumbbell bench press is a powerful exercise, and notice how Katie is using her back to stabilize her body, keeping her shoulders out of her ears and the dumbbells low over her sternum, not letting them float over her face. She's doing a great job controlling her breathing and keeping the dumbbells in the same plane of motion when they come up together. Excellent work, Katie.